OPTASE MGD Advanced Dry Eye Drops, a sterile, preservative-free lipid microemulsion eye drop that relieves symptoms of dry eye, such as discomfort and burning sensations. It also may be used as a protectant against further irritation from dry eyes. Before use, please ensure the tamper-evident seal is intact. Do not squeeze the bottle in an upright position. Wash hands well with soap and water and dry before use. Hold the OPTASE MGD bottle just below the cap and twist the cap to open. Place the cap on a clean surface and hold the bottle upside down and gently squeeze to release the first drop. Please discard of this first drop. Tilt your head backward and hold the bottle above your eye. Pull the lower eyelid down and look up. Squeeze the bottle gently and let a drop fall into your eye. Blink a few times so that the drop spreads over the eye. As the bottle starts to empty, make sure to move your fingers down to where there is liquid. Avoid contact between the tip of the bottle and your eye or eyelids. This is the most important step before replacing the cap. After use, flick or shake the bottle vigorously downwards, ensuring no residual drop is left before replacing the cap. Multiple flicks and shakes may be required. Do not touch, wipe, or clean the tip of the nozzle. When replacing the cap, do not squeeze the bottle. To avoid contamination when replacing the cap, do not touch, wipe, or clean the tip of the nozzle. Make sure to store the OPTASE MGD bottle in a dry, clean location away from contamination, including high levels of condensation. OPTASE MGD Advanced Dry Eye Drops, scientifically formulated to relieve dryness and irritation of the eye. Learn more about OPTASE MGD Advanced Dry Eye Drops at optase.com.